All right, you're live.
Hi everyone, it's Elizabeth at Dr. Emer's practice, and I'm here with my lovely patient Michael. Michael has been one of our patients for a little bit over 2 years. I was the first one to treat him with Cosmelan about 2 years ago, and we are going to be doing Cosmelan on his skin again. When we are tackling pigmentation of any capacity, it's never going to be a one and done type of treatment. We always have to do continuous treatments to continue to suppress pigmentation. So as you see, Michael is outdoors a lot. So he has post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, and you can see where it's a little bit darker. And Michael always wears a hat, and he also wears sunglasses, so you can see where it's a little bit darker in the areas that are regularly exposed to the sun. So with Cosmelan, we are going to start by what we call degreasing the skin. So I already cleansed Michael's skin, and now I'm going to degrease it with medical grade acetone and some rough gauze. I want the skin to get a little bit flushed. See, this is totally normal. This is what I want. And the reason why I'm doing this is for two reasons. One, I want to get rid of as much oil and dirt as possible. And the second is that I want to make sure that there's microcirculation on the skin. This is going to help my peel penetrate deeper. Now, I know that you guys hear us talk a lot about Cosmelan, but I have to tell you guys, it's one of the best, if not the best peel in treating pigmentation. Cosmelan is a very elegant chemical peel. It was manufactured in a way so that it slowly but progressively penetrates to the deeper layers of the skin. So we start by degreasing, and I'm just going to keep doing this in a circular motion. And then I'm going to apply what we always refer to as a peanut butter mask. And Michael has gone through this process before, so he knows that while the peel is on his skin, he's not going to feel anything. So when I say an elegant peel, I truly mean that. When you have the Cosmelan peel on your skin, you don't feel any tingling and you don't feel any irritation. You leave the peel on anywhere from 8 to 10 hours, and then after that you remove it. Once you remove the peel, that's when you feel the heat. So right now, I'm going to let the medical grade acetone dry, and then I'm going to start applying my peel. So Cosmelan is a combination. This is the Cosmelan peel. You can see it looks kind of like peanut butter. So Cosmelan is a combination of over 50 active ingredients. The highest concentrations are azelaic acid, arbutin, kojic acid, and licorice extract. It is a thick consistency, and that's why we have to leave it on for a long time. So what I want to do is make sure that I apply it as evenly as possible onto the skin. And I'm going to apply it thicker in the areas where Michael has the darker pigmentation. I want to avoid the eye area. And what's going to happen is that for about 2 weeks, Michael is going to exfoliate in sheets of skin. And then his skin is going to look a lot more youthful and rejuvenated, and his pigmentation will be a lot brighter or lighter. So when we're talking about Cosmelan, we're really suppressing pigmentation production. So we're exfoliating as much dead skin as we possibly can and lightening the pigment literally, like physically, by exfoliating it off. But at a dermal depth, we are also suppressing it. So this is a slow but progressive peel. As I stated, it's one of the most elegant chemical peels I have ever worked with. And we're gonna apply it extremely thick. So you can see I'm really layering it on the areas where he's most regularly exposed to the sun.
What's the downtime for this peel?
So it's about 2 weeks of peeling. So when you do the Cosmelan peel, you're also going to take home what we call the Cosmelan 2. The mask itself is jump-starting the exfoliation process, but you maintain the results and you continue to exfoliate and suppress pigmentation for up to 2 weeks at home as you continue to apply the Cosmelan 2. So the Cosmelan 2 is just as much a part of the treatment as the Cosmelan mask. Do you feel anything right now, Michael?
No, it just feels cool.
Yeah. So while the chemical peel is on the skin, or while the depigmentation treatment is on the skin, you're not going to feel anything. But it is a Netflix and chill kind of day. We don't want anyone to be doing any crazy physical activity that would promote internal heat. So, Michael, do you know what you're watching on Netflix today?
I'll just be binge watching something.
Okay, yeah. So we want Michael to really take it easy, and of course tomorrow as well. So as I stated, while the peel is on, Michael isn't going to feel very much. When he goes to remove the peel, that's when he's going to feel a little bit of heat and a tingling effect.
How long will he leave the peel on?
Michael's going to leave it on for about 10 hours. So what's interesting about Cosmelan is that the darker the phototype, the longer we're going to leave it on. Darker phototypes are a lot more sensitive to chemical peels and lasers as well. So what's so unique about Cosmelan is that it was truly manufactured for all phototypes. My lighter phototypes are going to leave it on anywhere from 6 to 8 hours, and darker phototypes will leave it on for all the way up to 10 to 12 hours. So for Michael, he's about a Fitzpatrick 4, so he's going to leave it on for 10 hours. Do we have any other questions?
How long will he be peeling for?
2 weeks. He will be peeling for 2 weeks because he's going to be doing our own post-Cosmelan home care kit, and so that's going to continue to prolong his peeling results. So this is it, guys. This is what the Cosmelan peel looks like. Michael's going to go home with this on. As I said, he's going to sit in a cool environment, Netflix and chill, and then in 10 hours he will remove it. And Michael, will you be sharing your experience with us again?
Well, yes.
On how you peel?
I share everything on my Instagram.
Thank you. So Michael will be sharing all of his pictures so that you can kind of see what the exfoliation process is like for him. So again, Cosmelan is great for melasma. Cosmelan is great for post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. It's good to even out tone and texture. It is one of the most popular peels here at Dr. Emer's practice, as we love to use this before any major lasers as well. Do we have any other questions?
If anyone's interested in getting this peel, how can they get it done?
Absolutely. So you can visit us online, and you can definitely schedule either a consultation or you can schedule your Cosmelan treatment with us. We also, we can also do a consultation and kind of guide you to see what the best chemical peel would be for your needs.